Dear children, the last class you studied about the alpha particle scattering experiment. In this experiment, you studied that some of the alpha particle passes straight through the atom and some of the alpha particle deflected through an angle theta. One or two alpha particle passes directly to the center of the nucleus and it retraces its path with an angle of 180 degree. In this experiment, you studied about the structure of atom. So the next heading is distance of closest approach. In the alpha particle scattering experiment, one or two alpha particle passes straight and it stops for a moment from the center of the nucleus and it experiences Coulomb repulsive force because both are positively charged particles. In this case, the kinetic energy of alpha particle, because alpha particles are moving, that kinetic energy is converted into electrostatic potential energy because both are charged particles. Then it retraces its path with an angle of 180 degree. So, the distance from the center of the nucleus, the alpha particle stops and kinetic energy is converted into electrostatic potential energy. See this. And it retraces its path. So, that distance from the center of the nucleus is known as the distance of closest approach denoted by R0. So, once again, the distance from the center of the nucleus, alpha particle stops and the kinetic energy is converted into electrostatic potential energy and it retraces its path. That distance is known as the distance of closest approach. Next one is derivation of R0. So from the previous figure, charge on alpha particle equal to, that is denoted as Q1 equal to plus 2E. E is the charge of electron. Then charge on scattering nucleus. Here the nucleus is gold nucleus. That is Q2 equal to plus ZE. Z is the atomic number of gold nucleus. So from this figure, kinetic energy of alpha particle K alpha, denoted as K alpha, equal to half mv square. Understand? Then kinetic energy of alpha particle is converted into electrostatic potential energy. So we can write electrostatic potential energy of alpha particle and the nucleus at distance R0. That is equal to, it is denoted as U equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q1 Q2 divided by, the distance is R0. So, U equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q1 Q2 by R0. So, what is Q1? Q1 equal to 2E. Okay, 2E. And what is Q2? Plus ZE divided by R0. According to conservation of energy, kinetic energy of alpha particle is equal to electrostatic potential energy of alpha particle and the nucleus. So we can substitute K alpha and potential energy, electrostatic potential energy. That is half mv square equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 2E Zt divided by R0. R0 is the distance of closest approach. From this we can write the R0. R0 equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0, then 2 comes to the numerator. So we can write 4 Z E square divided by mv square comes to the denominator. So this is the equation for the distance of closest approach. R0 equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 4 Z E square divided by mv square. This equation is important for the numericals, where 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 equal to 9 into 10 raised to 9 Newton meter square per coulomb square. This already you studied. So distance of closest approach R0 equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 4 Z E square divided by mv square. Next is numericals. In a Geiger-Masten experiment, what is the distance of closest approach to the nucleus of a 7.7 mega electron volt alpha particle before it comes momentarily to rest and reverses its direction? So here you want to find out the distance of closest approach, and here it is given kinetic energy kinetic energy of alpha particle 7.7 mega electron volt. So 1 electron volt equal to 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 joule. 1 mega electron volt equal to 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 into 10 raised to 6, that is equal to 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 13 joule. So here we can convert mega electron volt into joule. Similarly 7.7 mega electron volt equal to 7.7 into 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 13 joule. Then atomic number of gold atom is given, that is Z equal to Z of gold, that is atomic number of gold equal to 79. Then at the distance of closest approach, kinetic energy of alpha particle, that is K equal to half mv square equal to electrostatic potential energy of alpha particle and gold nucleus, that is 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Ze 2E divided by R0. So here Q1 equal to, Q1 equal to Ze and Q2 equal to 2E. So Q2 equal to 2E means it is the charge of the alpha particle. If the proton is incident on the gold nucleus, then Q1 equal to Ze and Q2 equal to E. Here the alpha particle is incident on the gold nucleus, so Q2 equal to 2E. From this equation we can write the expression for the distance of closest approach R0. So R0 equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Ze 2E divided by kinetic energy K. Then we can substitute the values. 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0, that is 9 into 10 raised to 9 into Z equal to 79 into E square, that is 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 the whole square into 2 divided by kinetic energy. What is the kinetic energy? 7.7 into 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 13 joule. So when you calculate all these values, you will get the answer 29.5 into 10 raised to minus 15 meter. So 10 raised to minus 15 meter equal to 1 Fermi meter. So we can write the final answer R0 equal to 29.5, we can round it as 30 into 10 raised to minus 15. So we can write 30 Fermi meter. So this is the distance of closest approach of alpha particle to the gold nucleus in this problem, that is R0 equal to 30 Fermi meter. The second question is a beam of alpha particles of velocity 2.1 into 10 raised to 7 meter per second is scattered by a gold foil z equal to 79. Find the distance of closest approach of the particle to the gold nucleus. The value of charge by mass for alpha particle is 4.8 into 10 raised to 7 coulomb per kilogram. So in this question, velocity of alpha particle is given. V equal to 2.1 into 10 raised to 7 meter per second. Then charge per mass of alpha particle is given. What is the charge per mass? Charge is 2e divided by mass, that is equal to 4.8 into 10 raised to 7 coulomb per kilogram. So this is the charge per mass of alpha particle. Then like in the first question, electrostatic potential energy is equal to kinetic energy of alpha particle. So what is the electrostatic potential energy? 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Zt 2E divided by R0 equal to, what is the kinetic energy? Half m v square. So here Q1 equal to Zt and Q2 equal to 2E. So Zt means charge of the gold nucleus, 2E is the charge of the alpha particle. You can change Q1 equal to 2E and Q2 equal to Zt also. So from this equation we can write R0. So R0 equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Ze 2E divided by R0 comes on the right hand side. Then half mv square comes to the numerator. Then we can rearrange the equation. That is R0 equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0. This 2 comes to the numerator. That is 2. Then Ze and 2E by m. Together we can take 2E by m. And the whole divided by this v square. So 2E by m we can take together. Then we can substitute the values. What is the 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0? That is 9 into 10 raised to 9 into 2 into, what is the Z? Atomic number of gold atom, that is 79 into E, that is 1.66 into 10 raised to minus 19. What is 2E by m? 2E by m 4.8 into 10 raised to 7 divided by v square. What is the v? 2.1 into 10 raised to 7 the whole square. Then when you multiply and divide all these values, you will get the answer 2.5 into 10 raised to minus 14 meter. This is the distance of closest approach of all nucleus and the alpha particle in the given question.